Hello everyone, welcome back to the Kids Zone channel. Today, I'm excited to share my honest review of the Designer Wellness Designer Whey 2lb protein powder. As someone who's always on the lookout for quality supplements to support my fitness journey, I've been putting this protein powder to the test over the past few weeks, and I'm here to give you all the details. First off, let's talk about what sets Designer Wellness Designer Whey apart. This protein powder is formulated with premium ingredients to help you meet your fitness goals while also supporting overall wellness. Each serving packs a punch with a blend of high-quality whey protein isolate, essential amino acids, and added vitamins and minerals. One of the most important factors for me when it comes to protein powder is taste. And I have to say, Designer Wellness really delivers on flavor. I tried the chocolate flavor, and it tastes rich and indulgent without being too sweet. It mixes well with both water and milk, leaving behind no clumps or grittiness. Texture-wise, this protein powder is smooth and creamy, which makes it perfect for shakes, smoothies, and even baking. I've used it in everything from post-workout shakes to protein-packed pancakes, and it always adds a delicious, velvety texture to whatever I'm making. Now let's talk about the nutritional benefits. With each serving, you're getting a solid dose of protein to support muscle recovery and growth, as well as essential amino acids to fuel your body throughout the day. Plus, Designer Wellness Designer Whey is low in fat and carbs, making it a great option for those watching their macros. In terms of value for money, I have to say, Designer Wellness Designer Whey is top-notch. Not only is it competitively priced compared to other premium protein powders on the market, but the quality of the ingredients and the results speak for themselves. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this product. Overall, I've been really impressed with Designer Wellness Designer Whey 2lb protein powder. From its delicious taste and smooth texture to its nutritional benefits and value for money, it ticks all the boxes for me. Whether you're an athlete looking to fuel your workouts or just someone who wants to add more protein to their diet, I highly recommend giving this protein powder a try. And that wraps up my review of Designer Wellness Designer Whey 2lb protein powder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.